You know, I have so much fun making my own knobs and handles, I thought I would make a video about it. And here's how it all starts. This right here is an old cast iron crank handle from a South Bend lathe. And I buy them on eBay. This one here is missing the crank handle. So I thought I would just show this. Anybody that has a metal lathe, they might kind of like to see this kind of stuff. So this right here is the handle that I made for it, and you don't need any special tools like tracer attachments or any of that kind of stuff. You can just do it freehand. And what I do is I just use one of these kind of bits. Of course, I grind off the point so it's round right there, and you can go both ways with it. And of course you're gonna need a file and some of this stuff right here, and you know, it takes a little work, but you can get it looking just like a factory handle. And anyway, here's one of the handles. I got this wheel off of eBay, and then the handle was missing off of it. So I made that handle. Knobs. Make my own knobs for everything. I hate plastic knobs. There's another one. Handle for my little vise. This one here I didn't make. This was an original one. You can see that close. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'll show some of the other handles and knobs that I made. Oh, first, this. This is my big vise. Put this big handle on here so that I could open it quick. Opens up to 9 inches, and I wanted to be able to do it fast. So I put a crank handle on it. Another knob you can make. This is on my old time drill press. Whoops, I gotta show it there. There it is. Of course you can unscrew it off. And it's all made out of just bar stock. Here's another one. When I got this machine, this handle was busted off, so I had to make that. Spins real nice. This one was missing. I had to make this handle and this part. Okay, this used to be a plastic knob, and I hate plastic knobs. So this one you can, if I ever wanted to put that plastic knob back on, all I got to do is unscrew this off. But there's another knob you can make. Here, knob here. This is supposed to have this on there, but I only put it on there when I need it. This is on the taper attachment. So I hang this up here, and I just have this on till I use the taper attachment. Another knob right here. This used to be a plastic one, and I know what you're thinking. Don't you get shocked by that? and no, you don't get shocked by that. But I like the steel knob rather than a plastic one. Okay, here's some more. Oh, here's plastic ones. These are not going to last on here very much longer. I'm going to be taking those off and making metal ones. Crank handle. You can make your own crank handles too. I made this one. Made the knob to go on it. This old power hacksaw, all it had was a big nut on here, so you can make your own crank handle. This is all made from bar stock. That's for the vise. Oh, here's another knob you can make that works good. This big knob right here. I just made this from a piece of 3/8 flat steel. Just for adjusting this. So there's another knob job you can get. Where else? Right here. Here's another one. This little tailstock I made. Got this handle off of eBay, and this crank I'm pretty sure was missing, so I made that one, this little handle. And then all these knobs, made all those knobs. So anyway, that's an example of knobs and handles you can make. Like I said, you don't need nothing fancy to do it. Just put the right bit in, and you can freehand shape any shape you want. But don't run out and buy up all these crank handles because I want them. I use them on a lot of stuff. So there you go. Make your own knobs. Get rid of those stupid plastic ones.